Front scuttle panel. Get my precision imp adjustment tool. Again, as I mentioned, for some reason, driver's side inside this wheel tub always seems to rock. Always seem to get a bit of rot around about here. And this panel as well. Now this panel is not so bad. There isn't one available as a repair panel. However, if you look at how the sections are put together, where the two skins meet, there's a small fold in the inside. I'll see if I can. There you go. So there's a fold up. So these sections are in this car effectively gone. So those will be getting changed, which means I need to take a lot of the outside off. But these sections are oh dear. I might have to go and open that roller door just a little bit to stop that happening. Section wise in here, a lot of the imps rot here. I'll show you from the inside in a minute. Well worth checking while you're here what bits are soft, what bits are not. You won't be able to get a good weld onto soft metal. It's just going to blow away and you're going to be chasing things up and down. And even when it's attached, it's just simply going to be a bad job. But once I actually bought a full front panel and a replacement valence for this, because I thought it was initially so bad, but actually it's quite solid. I may still use the valence section and cut off all the way down there so I can get in the back just to get it treated. So front valence off. These sections are a pretty easy fold, shape, bend, spot weld done. You'll need to drill and plug weld from this side, but overall what's round about seems to be reasonable enough to work with, although the lip on this, you can see that's not actually a hole, that's a drain hole. Fuel pipe needs to come out, but generally a lot of the lip is in pretty poor condition. I won't see how bad until it actually gets ground back, which is a job for another day. So, front panel wise, inside the box at the heater, blower and section and the horn box, all seem to be reasonably okay. So on this one I've got away pretty light. It might even be that I don't use the valence section. The valence section itself is effectively all the way down, although I might do. But as one of the other imp enthusiasts pointed out, the valence section that I have seems to be missing the proper curve in the middle. Whether that was in shipping or not, no idea, but we'll soon find out. Floor wise, again, it's not too bad. This section here, again, is gone. I know it seems reasonably solid, but trust me, it'll be soft, we won't weld to that. So these middle sections will all be getting replaced before we weld our new floor and before we weld the outer sill. Absolutely no point in putting a new floor section in with a brand new seam. Outer section with a brand new seam, and trying to weld onto metal that's like cheese is just about as bad as trying to talk over the top of that dam roller door. Checking your silt, you know. You can see here the drain holes goes through the sill cavity. This one here, what I'm tapping on there and what you see with that little pinhole in it now is actually a step sill. So that's probably a good example of how the two live in the small gap round about. You can see what's in there as well. And that damn foam. So I think that covers us for the H mounts and the front valence. I'm now going to go and open that door because that bang's really doing my head in.